What's up everybody, and welcome to the Pineapple Report. Just kidding. Welcome to another video. We are going to check out the Sawgrass Grove area, which is south of Bradford. We'll be flying over the homes in Bradford, and we'll be headed down toward the bridge, the cow bridge that crosses the turnpike, and we will spin around and come right back over Sawgrass Grove. I'm going to give you a look at what they're doing. They actually have a lot of it bulldozed over, and they're starting to put roads in down there, so that's pretty interesting. I'll point out a couple things to you. Actually, tomorrow night, today, well, it will be tonight by the time you see this video, but, well, it'll be tonight when you see this video, at least if you're seeing it when it first comes out. Tonight, the Water Lily Bridge is going over the turnpike down by Fenny, so they're gonna actually put that into place. They're closing the turnpike from 11 at night until 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna try and get down there. We will see. Let's take a look at Sawgrass Grove. All right, we are taking off south through Bradford. This is the Bradford area. Right along the trees there, that's where you see where the running path is around Bradford. You can get access to it through the area. And we will be looking at this area here as I outlined for you on the map. So we're coming around. We kind of took this same flight path the other day when we looked at the bridge, and I came over all of this here. Now you can see on the other side of the trees where the running / bike path goes along the tree line there through the Chitty Chatty Reserve. Again, I will be putting a video out of going through that, showing where all the connections are gonna be and all that kind of stuff. So this is the new Sawgrass Grove area. Did a video on this not too long ago where I showed the golf course that's going in this area, which is just north of the turnpike. And you can see right down there to the left, that's where one of the rec centers is going to be. You can tell by the parking lot and all that type of stuff. But you can see how much they've done so far. Quite a few roads have been going in. This isn't even Hawkins area that they've been working on, but straight ahead of us you're going to see that cattle bridge, and this is where that golf course is going to be. It's an 18-hole golf course, 3 par 3s, 3 par 4s, 3 par 5s on each of the front 9 and the back 9. You will not have to cross a road to get there. We're flying over that right now, pretty much the tip of that. I believe it's Baxley, which will be the road that leads over the bridge, Baxley Trail, and then Megason Road, which comes all the way from Brownwood and loops around, runs along the turnpike and comes down, is going to cross over and through the top. So right there where the arrow is, that's where you see Megason Road is going to be, that road that comes down. And then Hawkins is actually up in the top left corner right there where you see the blue roofs, and Bradford is straight ahead of us. Now this long tree line here, that is where the trails are going all along the Chitty Chatty Preserve, whatever you want to call it. The bridge actually goes through the middle of those trees and gives you access to the Bradford and the Sawgrass Grove side. I'm kind of excited to see the trails and see how they ride and how easily accessible and the running on them. Keeps you safe from traffic. You won't have to ride on the road and won't have to fight with the golf carts either, which makes it phenomenal. Like I said, the Water Lily Bridge will be going in tonight. You can see that bridge right there. We're coming up on it. And we're going to go straight over that bridge. I was trying to find out where I was right here because my drone was about to die. And it said it was going to land, and I did not want it to land in that water. and I was trying to figure out how I was going to get across there. But you can see that bridge there for the walking / ride trail, which I'm super excited to go on that thing. I'm not sure if it's open, but I will update you. Pretty sure it is. I didn't see any blockages to it. And then we're coming back into Bradford here. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. If you want to see more videos, check out the website, www.villagesvideo.com, and I'll see you in the next one.